If you don't want your manifestations to absolutely explode, skip this video, as the intention for this video is to align you with a parallel reality version of you that already has their intentions manifested. If you're brand new to this channel, my name is Scott Haug, and in this channel we work on manifesting mastery as well as creating deep healing practices to fulfill your most inner peace self. On the drawing, you can go ahead and see the you on the left-hand side is you today. And on the right-hand side is your current level of results, whether those are desirable results or not. And above this, right now, I'm drawing the idea of desired results. Results that you do wish you had right now in this moment. That could be a lot of money. That could be a soulmate. That could be a dream living, like a dream vacation, a dream home, whatever it is. Now, what's really important is that the version of you today corresponds with your current results, and that's why they're here. But what I'm drawing right now is that there's a version of you, the parallel reality version of you, that actually has their desired results fulfilled. Now, the trick to all this is the dotted lines are invisible. You can't see that other version of you. And you can't see your desired results. So it gets a little tricky because you wish that were happening, you hope, you visualize, you do your gratitude lists, you do your affirmations, but it's not yet visible to your eye. But here's where the difference comes in with manifesting principles. Every time you visualize or feel your intended reality, we're drawing a line in between you and your desired results. But as you can tell, as soon as you visualize, you still have reality happening. And sometimes you visualize something and then you come back to reality and you're like, it's not happening. It's because what I'm writing down right now is that your physical reality is very dense. This physical matter all around us, what you're viewing from my water cup here, it's the physical density that is hard to alchemize and transform. But on the right-hand side, those desired realities as well as your current results, at a different dimension, those are less dense. And when they're less dense, they're sitting at a different level of frequency. Now here's where it gets really good. If you visualize one time and you feel yourself already in possession of the thing you're wanting, you strengthen the ethereal body of the desired results. You do it again, you strengthen it more. You do it again, you strengthen it more. And you keep going through this process over and over and over. You start to strengthen or create this ethereal body as more density. And it starts to become a much higher probability that this is going to happen in your life. And your current results become less and less dense, which means it has less and less attachment over you, it has less correspondence to you. And when you're strengthening the density, if you will, of your desired results, you're also strengthening simultaneously the parallel reality version of you. So both of these are now very high probabilities that you're going to manifest in what you're wanting. And this becomes a strength bond, and then you start to see the desired results. Now, most people visualize once, twice, 5 times here and there, but they're so going back to, where is it? I thought it'd show up by now. They overthink. They're impatient. They're wanting it now. And that creates the resistance, which doesn't allow their desired results to materialize, to densify, or what we're calling right now adding to it or solidifying or densifying. And so their resistance is what actually is taking them away from their desired results. Now, the you possibility realm, the parallel reality version of you, and the you today are in this place of waiting. There's a waiting period. You've set your intention, and then there's some time that needs to go by in order for your intention to be received, because physical time-space reality already says if there's solids, there must also be a time. Time and physical matter go hand in hand. They cannot exist one without the other. And it can be very painful to be in this waiting period because it's like you want it now and you would like to have the benefits of the thing you're wanting, but it's painful. It's like it's not here. It's kind of like when emotions come through and you don't want them. It's painful to sit with them, but that's emotional maturity. You don't need to suffer through this because you allow nothing to happen with the awareness that there's no anything happening. It's a paradox. Let me kind of cover that a little deeper. So you sit in the waiting period, but you're not aware that the thing is not here. Does that make sense? It's a catch-22. You're aware that there's a waiting period, but you're not aware of the absence of results. And so the trick to all this is, can I feel the presence of the results? Can I feel like I already have it? While simultaneously allowing life to flow through this pain threshold. And so this may be something you want to contemplate on and watch this video 3, 4, 5, 10 times in a row just to really gauge in this. And if you're starting to get this, go ahead and comment below, recalibrating nervous system. Because what you're doing in this physical matter and changing the things is your nervous system is quite literally getting used to the new dense version of you in a different reality. So there's a version of you that wants to freak out and get nervous and scared and anxious. But when you are actually just sitting with it, not needing to fix it or do anything about it, not numbing and coping with it, it can be a very peaceful experience because you are the witness. You are the presence witnessing the pain. And that's pain maturity. You can sit with the pain rather than numb it and allow it to alchemize into love, because everything eventually goes into love. So it's you, it's the little I am drawing right now, witnessing life unfolding. And therefore it's not suffering. It's just allowing the life to flow, the synchronicities to align. You are quite literally viewing reality or viewing the frequency of where you want to be, but it's solidified now. Now, if you haven't already, join in my Manifestation Accelerator program. It's a daily script on exactly what to do every single day, and even more depth than I can do here on YouTube. So go ahead and link in the description below. Check that out, and I'll see you inside, as I can help you bring everything to the next level and give you those daily instructions. And part of that community is if you're looking for some coaching or one-on-one mentorship to help you heal any recurring limitations or traumas that are surfacing and resurfacing, or themes that are going on in your life, you'll have opportunities to upgrade into our mentorship as well. And we always do special events like 5-day challenge to manifest $1,000 or more, parallel reality viewing, and exercises that are along with the video today. So go ahead and jump into that. That's the link in the description. It's something you're going to want to use right away, and I'll see you inside. And I'll look forward to seeing you over in the next video as well.